In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code 401 error by creating a new project in Visual Studio Code. This guide will take you through setting up the necessary files and running the code to ensure everything works correctly. Begin by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once the application is launched, navigate to the integrated terminal. You can open the terminal by selecting Terminal from the top menu and then clicking on New Terminal. This terminal will allow you to execute commands directly within your project environment. Next, create a new directory for your project. Type mkdir Claude test in the terminal and press enter. After this command executes successfully, change into the new directory by typing ntt Claude test and hitting enter. This action places you inside the Claude test folder, where you will initialize your project. Now, initialize a new node.js project by entering npm init-y in the terminal. This command generates a package.json file with default settings, which is essential for managing project dependencies. To install the required packages, type npm install axios.arxios, .tune, and press enter. This will download both Axios, a promise-based HTTP client, and .mem, a module to load environment variables. After the installation completes, you will need to create a new file for your environment variables. In the File Explorer section of Visual Studio Code, right-click and select New File, quote.nvel. Open the newly created file and add the line claud underscore API underscore key-o, sign your underscore, real underscore, key underscore here. Ensure there are no spaces, quotes, or extra line breaks in this line, as these can cause issues when accessing the API key. Next, create another file named quote index.js quote in the same directory. Open this file and paste the provided code exactly as shown. This code will configure the environment variables, make an API call to the Claude service, and handle any potential errors. Pay attention to the structure of the code, as it must be precise to function correctly. After pasting the code, save the file to ensure all changes are stored. To run the code, return to the terminal and type node index.js, quote, before pressing enter. This command executes the JavaScript file you just created. If the code runs successfully, you will see a response similar to, hello, nice to meet you, displayed in the terminal. If there are any errors, they will be printed in the terminal, helping you troubleshoot the issue. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.